Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hailuo AI. Let's begin. So if you open up your Chrome browser, you are going to search up hailuo.com and then you'll be greeted by this page. And what you'll notice that it will be in Chinese. So what you need to do is you need to go to your search bar and then you're going to click on the translate option here and then you're going to choose English. Now it says, please enter your requirements and press enter to send. So there are other features to this website. You can go to the section here. It says, come explore these features. You can create a video. You can create music, help me identify something, and then help me write as well. So I'm going to use create music, for example. Now it says, please enter the song title required. And then you're going to enter the lyrics here after you've entered the heading. So after the song heading or the song title, you're going to enter the lyrics here at the bottom. So I've opened up ChatGPT and I've asked it to make me a song about the open road with the song title in it. So it says here the song title is Wanderer's Anthem. And then here's the first one, then the chorus. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy everything. Then I'll go back to the hailuo.com website and then I'm going to right click and then paste. So now we are going to select a specific genre. So there's rock, hip hop, electronic, classical, R&B, disco. So I'm going to use the blues, for example, and then I'm going to select generative music.
Wanderer's Anthem. The sun is rising, breaking through the clouds, a stretch of highway calling out loud.
So that was pretty cool. And then if you want to download the song, you can just go to the bottom here and then select the download option there. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.